A little change in your lifestyle, you won't be tired throughout the day and you will decrease your chance of getting heart attack by 27%. Well, that one thing is something so simple but still so many people don't do it. That thing is eating breakfast in the morning. Doctors and nutrition experts generally agree that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. If you think about it, it just makes sense. After an extended night of sleeping, your fuel tank is on empty. Like a car won't run without gas. Your body won't function right without its fuel. That is breakfast. Even though it's compulsory to have breakfast in the morning, but most of the people are skipping the breakfast by giving excuses, and this can be easily overcome. So here, hi, Asha Senasamy, going to tell you why it is worthwhile never to skip a breakfast, what will happen if we skip breakfast, and how to avoid skipping breakfast in the morning. I will begin by sharing why we shouldn't skip breakfast. First, because breakfast boosts our energy level. According to study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition on 1999, consuming a breakfast high in fiber and low in carbohydrates will make you feel less tired during the day. As everyone knows, our body energy source is glucose. Glucose is broken down and absorbed from the carbohydrates you eat. During times of fasting, such as overnight, the liver breaks down glycogen and releases it into your bloodstream as glucose to keep your blood sugar level stable. Breakfast is important for your brain, which relies almost entirely on glucose for energy. The good energy level will help you to concentrate well and also improve your ability to learn in the class. You are also able to understand what being taught more easily and retain that new information better than the students who are hungry because they have skipped breakfast. Not only that, breakfast also maintains students' healthy weight. In 2016, more than 1.9 billion adults aged 18 years and older were overweight, and from that over 650 million adults were obese according to World Health Organization. So that most of the teenagers plan to avoid taking meals and they choose to skip breakfast in the name of diet. The truth is people who regularly eat breakfast are less likely to be overweight and obese. It is because breakfast helps you to control your weight since it prevents large fluctuation in your blood glucose level, and it also helping you to control your appetite. It also fills you up before you become really hungry, so you are less likely to just grab whatever foods are nearby when hunger really strikes. Now you may be asking, what will happen if we skip breakfast? Let me tell you. When you skip meals, your body stops working as fast in order to conserve energy. You need breakfast to give your metabolism a jump start because it is the first meal of the day you are feeding your body with after it rests for about 12 hours. According to a various study conducted on the importance of breakfast, people who eat this meal have a higher level of resting metabolism. So breakfast does seem to have impact on the metabolic process. It is because when you don't eat any food for a long period of time, your body begins to store as much calories as it can in order to prepare for a potential period of starvation. As metabolism levels slow down, the body even turns to the glucose which is stored in your muscles as a backup source of energy, which effectively means that your muscles waste away. It can cause weight gain among people in younger age like students. Not only that, skipping breakfast could cause migraine and headache. Hypoglycemia is the medical term used to indicate low levels of blood sugar. Skipping meals trigger a massive dip in sugar level, in turn triggering the release of hormones that could compensate for the low glucose level. This, on the other hand, increase the blood pressure levels, triggering migraines and headaches. This incident is higher when you skip breakfast, as it is the first meal of the day you are consuming after nearly 12 hours of fasting. Headaches and migraines are the common problem faced by the students in their studying time due to depression and overload work. So if you want to keep those headaches away, so ensure that you eat your breakfast. What are the negative impacts of not taking breakfast? So let me share with you on how to avoid skipping breakfast in the morning, even in the busy schedule. That is planning. Planning is crucial to stop skipping breakfast in the morning. You need to plan what to eat for breakfast, what time to eat breakfast, and where to eat breakfast. You may wake up 10 minutes earlier to make a breakfast for you, or you may also prepare breakfast the night before if you really don't want to wake up earlier. Making portable breakfast items such as smoothies is also one of the good way. You may bring it to the class or have it on the way to class. It is one of the way to solve the excuse I don't have the time. Don't forget to keep any breads or biscuits in your bag as a backup. You can have that as a breakfast if you really don't have time to prepare your breakfast. As you can see, eating a breakfast in every morning does not have to be difficult or expensive. If you are doing skip breakfast, try a nutritious snack like fresh fruit, yogurt, a low-fat muffin, or an entire meal sandwich to help you through that mid-morning hunger. It not only will you be giving your body what it needs in the morning, you will be reducing your risk of heart disease or heart attack later in life. It is better to awaken earlier and have a good breakfast than run to class without eating anything. It's time for you to try to do something for your health, and eating breakfast is the better way to start your day. That's why I ask you to eat breakfast every day. Do you still want to skip your breakfast after this?